Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today we're going to talk about skincare. Most of the focus on the skin has been its topical care. Skin is a part of your body, and just like everything else in your body, it needs to be nurtured from within along with outside. So, in here, I will focus on how to heal the skin from inside out. The skin is like a tree, it needs food from within as well as outside. Skin is the largest organ of your body. It is an organ of protection. It protects your body from external aggressors. It has to maintain the right balance of permeability and protection to keep the right things in and the wrong things out. In here, I will share with you some of the methods that will help you achieve flawless, glowing skin without splurging thousands on your skincare products. So let's start with some supplements that are good for your skin. First is hyaluronic acid. Just like collagen, the body produces hyaluronic acid. However, with time or under certain circumstances, its production can be reduced. The highest amount of this acid is found in babies. That's why they have this smooth, flawless skin. Hyaluronic acid helps to retain collagen in your skin. It plays a role in healing wounds, scars, sunburns, free radical damage. It also contains potent antioxidants to prevent this damage. So I would highly recommend that you look into this supplement. Another supplement is Trans-Resveretrol. It has been termed the magical elixir of eternal youth. It has protective properties for the skin. It accelerates healing process after any trauma to the skin. And supplements are a good way to ensure you're getting enough in your body. I'm going to provide the names of these supplements at the end of the video for ease, so you can note them down. Omega-3 is a fantastic supplement for your overall health, especially for your skin. I would recommend fish oil instead of vitamin E because of its benefits on your overall health, from your cardiovascular health to your joints and your brain. It is especially great for women. It has amazing benefits on your skin. It keeps the skin supple, smooth, moist, youthful looking, and keeps the wrinkles at bay and reduces acne and eczema as well. You have another supplement which is lemon balm and passion flower. These are calming herbs. They help relax the body, which is very important in order to regenerate skin cells and keep the youthful look that comes through relaxation. You can consume it both as a tea or as a supplement. Then you have zinc, which is a well-known and well-researched supplement. There's a clear understanding that acne is caused by zinc deficiency. So zinc has anti-inflammatory properties. Another thing that I would highly recommend as part of your skincare routine and actually your lifestyle is probiotics. Any naturopath will tell you that your health is determined by your gut. The healthier your gut, the better your overall health will be. So gut issues, poor digestion, stress, intolerances, food intolerances can all show on your skin and take a toll. There are probiotics available in supplement form. I prefer 50 billion CFU daily, but you can safely consume up to 100 billion CFU. Again, it depends on your dietary habits. That's why it's best that you work with a healthcare provider to determine what works best for you. Then you have B complexes. Look for B6 and B12 combination as they enhance each other and make each other more effective. B complex supplement is a wonderful acne treatment if you're suffering with acne issues, along with zinc. So zinc and B complexes is a real wonderful supplement for those of you who are struggling with acne issues. Vitamin D3. There's a correlation between vitamin D3 deficiency and skin issues, especially acne. So vitamin D3 is responsible for so many functions in your body. You're better off taking a supplement to ensure proper levels overall. By the way, some people think that if they take prenatal vitamins, it will be good for their skin, hair, and nails. That's not necessarily the case. Prenatal vitamins contain high levels of iron, which are good for you if there is a baby developing and growing inside of you, but is not so good in normal circumstances. I'll do another video on nail and hair care, and we'll share some of the supplements you can take, especially for that. Now, going back to your skin, vitamin C. It is often found in skincare products such as serums, skincare creams, skin repair creams, etc. Vitamin C protects the skin from UV damage. It stops the biochemical reactions that cause uneven pigmentation to effectively brighten your skin tone. It boosts production of substances that keep skin looking firm, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C actually enhances your skin's natural defense system, helping it to protect itself from oxidative stress. If you regularly take a good multivitamin, then I don't recommend taking a vitamin C supplement, but make sure to still consume foods that are rich in vitamin C. Then you have spirulina. It has been called superfood, and that's not far from the truth. It has amazing benefits for your entire body, so I definitely recommend you incorporate it in your daily diet. It has protein as well, so it is good for vegetarians and vegans. The most effective way to consume it is in powdered form. You can add a teaspoon to your smoothies, your juices, or a cup of water and drink it. If you can't develop the taste for it, then there are supplements in tablets or capsule form available as well. Then next supplement that is good for your skin is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It is found in the bones, muscles, skin, and tendons. It is the substance that holds the body together. It is responsible for improving skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, boosting skin hydration, and keeping the skin supple and healthy looking. There are supplements available. However, I recommend foods which increase collagen production in the body. These include bone broth, seafood, egg whites, citrus, berries, tropical fruits, leafy greens, garlic, beans, tomatoes, bell peppers. They are all highly rich in nutrients that promote the natural production of collagen in your body. Next thing that I really highly recommend for you is coconut oil, internally and topically. Take a tablespoon internally daily and use it as your daily moisturizer as well. A few drops of rose water mixed with coconut oil make an excellent moisturizer for your face and your entire body, basically. Calendula oil is the next supplement I would highly recommend. Calendula oil and extract are both great for the skin, whether you used it internally or topically. Calendula helps heal wounds, scars, and burns. It is great to relieve rashes, including diaper rash, so it's safe for you to put it on babies. It has anti-inflammatory properties and therefore can help heal acne and eczema, as well as radiodermatitis, which is skin damage caused by radiation. Then, of course, you have foods that are especially good for your skin. If you feel like your skin is suffering in any form, such as looking dull, wrinkles, pigmentation issues, increase these foods in your diet. These foods include beans, anchovies, ginseng, seasonal fruits and vegetables, especially cabbage and broccoli, fatty fish like mackerel, sardines. Then you have fatty foods like avocados, walnuts, sunflower seeds are very good, dark chocolate, green tea. They can be really easily incorporated in your daily diet. Now, there are things you can do externally which are really good for your skin, like using a good cleanser, moisturizing skin regularly, applying masks that are suitable for your skin type, using natural toners, and massaging your skin. And In the About section of this video, I will provide some links to good massaging videos that I found on YouTube that you can refer to. And for the next few minutes, I will share with you some masks that I apply, all from 100% natural ingredients that I'm sure you already have in your pantry or your refrigerator. A few years ago, I had written a book about natural care for adolescents and pre-adolescents called Nurture with Nature. The book is available on both Kindle and on my website. There, I have provided many more skin, hair, and nail care methods using natural ingredients. The results you acquire from natural substances are not as quick and drastic as you otherwise would from cosmetic products, but they're longer lasting and completely harmless. There are no side effects. So you're better off investing some time into your natural care as opposed to going after quick results. So some of the massages that I would, some of the masks that I would recommend that I personally use and have found them to be fantastic are rice. Okay, this is one of the masks. You take 3 tablespoons of rice, you take 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of hot milk. You mix cook the rice until completely cooked through. Strain it. Save the water. That you have boiled it in. Add hot milk and honey and apply it on a clean face and neck. After it has dried, wash your face with rice water that you have saved from boiling it. This mask has amazing antioxidant properties. It enhances the blood flow as well as keeps the skin looking moist and soft and reduces fine lines. It also evens out the tone, the skin tone. One of my favorite masks though, which is ultra hydrating and also helps even out the tone of the skin, and believe it or not, it actually fills out fine lines as well. It's so simple and so easy. You take 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. You can use fresh milk or you can use powdered milk and just add water to it. You take 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, half teaspoon of baking soda, and enough rose water to make a toothpaste-like mixture. That is when you use coconut milk powder. And you apply it on your face and leave it for about 10 minutes until it's dry and a little bit crusty. Then you wash your face with lukewarm water, and it just has immediate fantastic effects on your skin. You can also add yogurt to the mask, to this mixture, if you have really dry skin. Hyperpigmentation is an issue that I've been dealing with since I moved to a hot and arid environment a few years ago. These masks really, really help with hyperpigmentation, the mask that I'm about to share with you. You have potato and egg white mask. You grate a medium-sized potato using a cheese grater and you squeeze out all the water using a cheesecloth or a nut milk bag. In that potato water, whisk an egg white and using a cotton ball, apply it to your face, neck, hands, and pretty much all the areas of your skin which are suffering from hyperpigmentation or are generally exposed to sun. You leave it for about 10 minutes on your skin and then wash with warm water. You need to use it regularly for a few weeks, 2 to 3 times a week for a few weeks before you really begin to see any noticeable difference. But consistency is the key. Keep on going. Don't give up if you don't see any effects like after 2-3 uses. Azelaic acid is also highly effective in dealing with hyperpigmentation and evening out the skin tone. So please do your research well and preferably discuss with a naturopath or your dermatologist before you start using this. Green tea bags applied to the area of hyperpigmentation is also very effective. Next time you make green tea, just save the bags in a Ziploc, throw them in the freezer, and anytime you have eczema or sunburn or any inflamed parts of your skin or hyperpigmented sections of your skin, you can apply the bag. It's soothing and it's highly effective. Licorice extract in the skincare products is something you may want to look out for, or apply licorice extract topically diluted with equal amounts of water. So let's say if you take one part, half a cup of licorice extract, make sure you add half a cup of water to it, because you don't want to irritate your skin. It's quite potent. You can also apply apple cider vinegar, again diluted 1:1 ratio. So if you have 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of water. Milk is found in many skin lightening lotions. You don't have to buy these expensive lotions. You can make your own. You take warm milk, and with a washcloth apply until all the milk is used. Leave it on the skin for about 10 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. You can use regular milk, you can use coconut milk, you can even use almond milk. All of them will have different effects, but you want to make sure that you're not allergic to nuts, and if you want to use nut milk products. But dairy milk, it should be relatively safe for those of you who have nut allergies. Ginger cream is also great for evening out the skin tone, and I will give you another secret. Massaging it on your belly, arms, or thighs to the areas that retain fat, it also helps burn out excessive fat, believe it or not. So you definitely want to try it. You take 1 tablespoon ginger juice, fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon coconut or almond oil, and approximately 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. You want to have enough consistency so it's pliable and easy to work with. You don't want a runny solution. Mix it until it's smooth and well blended, and apply twice daily by massaging into your skin for 30 seconds or more. You will begin to notice a difference in just 5 to 7 days. If you have a burning sensation, then you might want to stay away from it because it means that your skin is irritated. You definitely don't want to use this on an irritated skin. Make sure you soothe out your skin, that there are no inflamed parts that you're applying ginger cream on. There are tons of methods. Use what works best for you. Not everything is going to work for everyone. You try until you find something that is suitable for you. If you choose to take anything internally or decide to use extracts externally, I highly recommend you check with a naturopath or an herbalist on the recommended dosages. As always, be your best self. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.